Okay, so I'm here with Tobias Otieno uh, on Welcome to Who Gives a Hoot. Welcome to meeting all the fans here at Union Omaha in Omaha, Nebraska.
Thank you, thank you. I feel much appreciated.
No, so obviously you have yet to be able to join the team because of all of this crazy illness going across the world, the pandemic. Um,
Yeah.
what have you been doing to stay fit to keep yourself ready for when you finally can come over and join the team?
Okay, for me, okay, it's like a indoor workout most of the time. I do some push-ups, sit-ups, some workouts. We always have a Zoom meeting with the club, and probably on Wednesdays we have some workouts done. But every day of myself, I always keep fit. Like I must jog for a while and do some workouts like push-ups, sit-ups, all those.
Well, I mean, based on what we saw of the footage of you playing with Gormaya, you seem
Yeah.
like you were coming off a very good season there in the Kenyan Premier League. Seems like you're going to provide a lot of uh, good depth to the team. And have you had a chance on those Zoom meetings to talk to any of
Pardon?
your
Pardon?
sorry?
Pardon.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is it through now?
I'm listening.
Okay. Have you had a chance to talk with any of your teammates on those Zoom meetings?
Yeah, we usually interact every day. We usually interact. Mostly with my roommate, Christian.
So
He really needs me a lot, yeah.
is it eh, with with that have you are those whole team meetings, or are those just a few people at a time so you can kind of get to know everyone?
Yeah, okay, it's always for the whole team meeting, but at some point I always like I always go one-on-one with some of them. Yeah, we chat and some we video call. We get to know each other more.
Perfect. Is there anyone that you've had a good connection with so far? Any one of the players?
Yeah, Tyler and Christian.
Tyler and Christian? And
Yeah,
Christian's going to be your roommate when you finally do come, correct? Are you still there, Kevin?
yeah, I'm hearing you. What are you saying?
Uh, Christian's going to be your roommate when you finally do arrive, correct?
Yeah.
He seems like he's going to be a good person to help push you and push everyone in the rest of the team to do better. So I'm excited for that connection on and off the field.
Yeah, I'm also excited. I'm also excited. Like I'm happy to know him. Like I'm
Yeah.
happy that he's my roommate. Yeah.
Well, obviously the season's being delayed. What uh, what are you most looking forward to about coming and joining the team here?
Okay, for me, the most important thing is for me will be like joining the club. So when you join the club, we'll see from there where to start on because it's my first professional contract. So I think the experience will be fine.
Well,
I'll still need some time to cope up with the culture, the football culture, to know the environment, to cope up with the weather and all that stuff. But I think it will it will be awesome. I'll enjoy it.
well, it as the season gets a little bit later and later pushed back, I think the weather is going to be a little bit closer to to where you're used to. Last week we had snow on the ground. This week it's 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. So we're sitting a little bit there. Hopefully that's an easy transition for you. But have you had a chance to see any of the tape from the team, the
Yeah,
video?
Yeah, I saw one match against Real Salt Lake. Real, Real Monarchs. Yeah,
Yeah,
Real
yeah, so
Monarchs.
yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah,
and does that seem like the team's going to do? Is something you're excited to join?
yeah. I saw the team. The team suits me well. Suits me well. Like I see it as a growing place. Like it's like a stepping stone for me. It's a place where I can build up.
Perfect, perfect. Well, that's going to do the 5 minutes for us. No, we're really excited to have you here,
Yeah.
and excited to see you join.
Thank you. Thank you. I feel appreciated.